Hello everybody. Musicchu sent me this picture of a vase and asked how I would model this. So I used it as the backdrop, and this is a perspective picture, and we will never be able to completely match these cloud things here. Anyway, I think we will get close. Then let's start with a square. I bring out the square about like this here and bring this down a bit like so. Then I put a single edge in the middle and then can go to basic, center selected all, and now in item mode I can adjust the backdrop properly, so W key, bring this over to here and up a bit to about here, like so. This mesh is going to be our reference, and I can add in single edges now, Alt 4, like so, shift click, shift click, shift click, like about so, and another one here, like so, and a last one down here, something like this. Okay, now I press the N key for a new mesh, and this new mesh is going to be our background, and I go and select a curve and bring out a curve from here like about so. Good. Now I make sure that this curve is centered on Z, so center selected on Z. Let's check. Yes, good. Front view, and then I can go to duplicate, radial sweep, count of 48 around the Y action center origin, and this has been done. Perspective, it's flipped, so F key to flip, and in front view I press the D key again, and that's okay. Now we don't need to see this, and I go basic, a new mesh first, basic, then pen tool in lines mode, and then I draw out this silhouette again, but exactly on our reference points, like so, like so, and the last one about here. And again I select this and make sure center selected in Z, otherwise we might get surprises. So duplicate, radial sweep, count of 24 around Y action center origin, and click in the viewport, and then I run mesh cleanup, sorry, wrong key, to delete the double polygons. I have several times already talked about this bug in Modo, and now we can select this middle part here, and then Alt C, count of 2, uniform, Alt 3 to convert, and as I said, we will never be able to match these lines here, but as I tried different angles. It's really not so important. So press the E key, but I want to rotate it 12 degrees around the Y, like so. Then I select everything, go to deform, twist, and twist around the Y, and I want to have these handles down a bit more and these ones up a bit more, and then twist this by minus 120 degrees. I tried 150 or other values. Anyway, it's not so important, you will see. That's why I now get rid of this backdrop. No, maybe too early. And press the D key once, twice, and then R, and make this smaller, and bring in our background, F11, and constrain to background, and make it bigger again, like so. Okay, good. We don't need to see the reference nor the background, but we quickly need to see. So we have 2, 4, 6, and altogether 96 divided by 6 is 16. Okay, now I don't need the background. I can select any. So yes, L key, invert the selection and delete. And now I can select these edges here, 1, 2, and then up arrow key. Let's see, one more back, like so. Good. No. Now I can select 2 edges here and these 2, L key, backspace delete, select 2 polys in here, L, Control X, then I can go down here and select 2 edges here, up arrow key, let's see, like so. Then top view, R key, but action center origin, and on the green circle bring this out. That's too much, 102, 102, and then Control V to bring the cut geometry back. Then I can select these 2, bridge them, select the top 2, bridge these, then select everything here and deselect the first and the last one and bridge again. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is maybe a bit too discreet, so I add a single edge in here, Alt C, count of 1, that's better. If you want to, you can add another one in here or make it as sharp as you like. I think this is good for me. Okay, now we can go to duplicate, radial array. We set a count of 16 around the Y, action center origin, and click in the viewport, like so. And then we should be able to vertex merge fixed 0.1 millimeters. Yeah, why not? And here is our vase. It's now just a few little things, like we make the top So I select this, go out of subD mode, select this, run Seneca Menard's perfect circle, P key for polygon, 3 to select this polygon, B for bevel, on the red handle bevel it in, shift click, bevel it down and delete. Then we can select these edges here and these ones, bevel them with the round level of 1 and the round shape, and then make this round like so. Good. Now the bottom, select this, run the perfect circle, Z key, bring it down a bit and a bit more like so. Then we can give this a material. This is our vase. Sorry. Vase. And then I can go to basic, shift click on this symbol and W key, bring this down to about here, M key, it's plain, and let's go back to our vase, subdivide it, go to the render tab, like so, and give this a material and a nice environment. This makes it look a bit pinkish, which I quite like, and the plane maybe this here. Yes, why not? So I make this a bit bigger and go up with the render level to 6 and render it. And here we are. This is the cloud vase. I hope you liked it and you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, take care and have fun modeling with Modo. See you some other time. Bye bye.